3D printing technology is gradually stepping into the vision ordinary people and become a hot applications technology. At present, it has been widely used in creativity designs, film and televisions animations, product design, digital publishing, and industries. Its widespread applications will have a great impact on the cultures and the creativity industries. With the advancement technology and the increasing popularity of the internet, 3D printing technology will increasing the becomes tool for production process. 3D printing gives ordinary people that ability to manufacture. Realize the personalized designs thinking of ordinary people truly achieve the creation of the whole peoples and promote the designs and the expression of the cultures and creativity of product to present more diversified futures at present. The commanding heights of the 3D art has become a new era. A large number of the professionals using the computer designs and through the 3D printing produced in the complex product and their shape with the traditional process cannot be achieved. Change with the traditional process is difficult to achieve the perfection curve surface structures. The production time is long and repair can below redefine the culture's creativity of art and designs. The emergence of a 3D printing makes art of designs more convenient and cheaper. Understanding the traditional form, the form changes the design for the fine art of space is a relative small. It is applied in the actual change is complex and 3D printing relying on internet technology. The computer software to design the itself to varying the degrees of and modifications. The 3D printing technology can provide the greater changes and the art design phases also have a biggest advantages of 3D printing itself, especially in jewel designs, furniture designs, horticulture designs, such as art designs field and technology. Advantages is more obvious. Today, with the popularization of the internet and the pursuit of individuations, people all hope that the other things are unique.